You're watching market headlines. At the Jakarta Composite Index intraday movement earlier today, JCI was open at the level of 7,229.73. And then approaching the closing time on the first session, the index was on the level of 7,252. And then the index was showing weakening trend by the second session closing time. Index was closed at the level of 7,182.83. And in short, Jakarta Composite Index or JCI went down 0.15%. And next, we're going to see the sectoral movement. Leading the dynamics of today's trading, we got energy as the leader of strengthening trend that went up 0.84%. Industry went up 0.17%. Transportation and logistics went down 1.57%, and health sector went down 0.84%. And moving on to top gainers and top losers, here are the key highlights from today's trading session. From top gainers, we can see Goto went up 1.59% to the level of 384 rupiah per share. Bank Rakyat Indonesia went up 0.45% to the level of 4,490 rupiah per share. Adaro Minerals went up 9.38% to the level of 2,450 rupiah per share. And Bukit Asam went up 0.49% to the level of 4,070 rupiah per share. Meantime, the top losers for today's trading, we got BBAC went down 1.32% to the level of 7,500 rupiah per share. Telkom Indonesia went down 1.22% to the level of 4,050 rupiah. Bank Negara Indonesia went down 3.61% to the level of 8,675 rupiah. And Adaro Energy went down 0.83% to the level of 3,600 rupiah per share. And next, we're going to see the intraday movement of rupiah towards US dollar. Open at the level of 14,423 rupiah, showing weakening trend towards US dollar. And it was closed at the level of 14,503. And in summary, rupiah went down 0.55%. Garuda Indonesia plans to conduct a rights issue in 2 stages this year to strengthen capital. The government will inject 7 trillion rupiah through the first stage, while at the second right issue, Garuda will allow strategic investors to buy company shares. National airline Garuda Indonesia plans to conduct a rights issue in 2 stages this year to strengthen capital. Deputy Minister of State-Owned Enterprises Kartika Wirjoatmojo revealed in a meeting with the House of Representatives on June 7, 2022. According to Kartika, after Garuda and its creditors reach an agreement on debt restructuring worth $9.8 billion, the government will inject 7.5 trillion rupiah through the first rights issue. The second rights issue will be conducted in the early 4th quarter of this year to allow strategic investors to buy shares in Garuda Indonesia. According to Kartika, the government plans to maintain its 51% stake in the airline after the rights issue is carried out. Garuda is scheduled to present its final debt restructuring plan on June 9 before creditors vote on the proposal the following week. IDX Channel reports.